Hello students, as in the last lecture we had covered the first three sums of your exercise number 2.2. So now we're gonna see the next few more questions from that same exercise. So this is the question number 4 from the exercise number 2.2. So let's see what exactly we have to find. As in this question it says that we have to eliminate theta. Eliminate theta means what? In the final answer theta should not be there. In simple language, eliminate theta means what? In the final answer the theta should not be there. Okay, so for this five sums there is one simple int. The int is what? To eliminate theta you have to use the concept of identities formulas. Okay, identity. So we know that the three important identity formula is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then the second one is what? Sec square theta minus cosec square theta equals to 1. And the sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. And the third one is what? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Okay, so to eliminate theta, so this is the easy int. Just simply you have to use this formula. This formula is known as what? Trigonometric identity formula. The first one is sine square plus cos square equals to 1. Then sec square minus tan square theta equals to 1. Then cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Okay, so simply you will apply the formula, substitute the value of sine, cos, sec, tan, cosec, cot. You will get the answer, where you will see in the final answer theta will not be there. So in simple language, eliminate theta means what? You have to eliminate the theta part in the final answer. Theta should not be there in the final answer. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here the first one is what? X equals to 3 sec square theta, 3 sec theta, and y equals to 4 tan theta. So here we have sec and tan in the question. So first guess, what is the relation between sec and tan in identity? Yes, here we have one relation, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So for this first sum, we'll use this formula to eliminate theta. So the formula is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So let's begin with the solution now. So here in the first one, it says that x equals to 3 sec theta, y equals to 4 tan theta. Okay, the next, first here we'll prepare the value of sec and tan. So therefore here first we'll make the value of sec theta. So sec theta will be equals to what? X by 3, this 3 will go down, and tan theta will be equals to what? Y by 4. This 4 will get, this 4 will come down. So here we got sec as x upon 3 and tan as y upon 4. So we know that the relation between sec and tan is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So as I told, simply you have to find the value of sec and tan. Okay, and substitute the value. So sec theta is what? X by 3. Here we have square, so we'll write square. Tan theta is what? Y upon 4. But here we have square, so square of that value equals to 1. So therefore x square will be x square, 3 square will be what? 9, y square will be y square, and 4 square, it is 16, equals to 1. Okay, so if you want you can keep your final answer in this form also, or else simply cross multiply. So here you will get what? 16x square minus 9y square upon 16 nines, it is 144 equals to 1. Okay, again cross it. So here you will get what? 16 x square minus 9y square equals to 144. So this is the required answer. As clearly we can see that in the required answer in the final step, we cannot see theta anywhere in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. So that means we have to eliminate the theta part. So in simple language, what do you mean by eliminate theta? Eliminate theta means what? In the final answer, theta should not be there. That's it. Okay. So to eliminate theta, you have to use the identity formula concept. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. And simply find the value of sine, cos from the given condition, sec, tan, cosec, cot, substitute the value, you will get the answer. Okay. So let's move on to the second sum. So in the second sum, it says that x equals to 6 cosec theta and y is equals to what? 8 cot theta. So for this sum, we have to eliminate theta. So first see what is the relation between cosec and cot. Is there any relation between cosec and cot? Yes. Here we have the relation between cosec and cot is what? Identity relation. So first again same here we'll prepare the value of cosec and cot. So 6 will come down. So cot will be equals to what? Y by 8. So here we got cosec and cot. Okay, so to eliminate theta, simply we'll apply this formula. Cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta equals to 1. Okay, substitute the value. So cosec theta is what? X by 6. As here we have square, so we'll write square. Cot theta is what? Y by 8. Again here we have square, so we'll write square equals to 1. So therefore x square will write x square, 6 square will write 36, y square will write y square, yes or no? And this 8 square we can write as 64 equals to 1. So in the next step, if you want, you can stop your answer here itself, or else after this cross multiply, where you will get 64x square minus 36y square upon 36 into 64 equals to 1, or else try to make the denominator same by using LCM factor. So for to make the denominator same, we'll multiply this 36 by 16, and here we'll multiply it by 9. Okay, so 16 and 16 here will multiply and divide it by 16 and 16, here it will, here will multiply it by 9 by 9. So 36 16s a year you will get 576, and 64 9s a year you will get 576. So here there are two methods. One, cross multiply, and then after that you can reduce the number, or else make the denominator same by using the LCM factor. That is on you. So in the next step, this can be written as 16x square upon 576, yes or no, minus 9y square upon 576 equals to 1. So therefore 16x square, as clearly we can see that the denominator is same, so we can write one time, and in the numerator you will get 16x square minus 9y square equals to 1. So here in the final step we can write it as what? 16x square minus 9y square equals to 576. So this is the required answer. As in the required answer, clearly we can see that theta, it is not there. So what do you mean by eliminate theta? Eliminate theta means what? In the final answer, theta should not be there. So in this way you have to present your sum. Okay, I hope you all understood this step. Cross multiply and then reduce the number, or else make the denominator same by using LCM factor. So here to make the LCM same, so here for the first part I multiply and divide it by 16. To make the denominator same for this part, here I add multiply numerator and denominator by 9. So when you will see 36 16s are here, you will get 576, and 64 nines again it is 576. As we know that the denominator is same, so we can write it as one time, and numerator you will get 16x square minus 9y square, rest you will get the required answer. So in this way you have to present your sum. So let's move on to the next one, that is the question number 3. So in the next question it says that x equals to 4 cos theta minus 5 sin theta and y equals to 4 sin theta plus 5 cos theta. Okay, so now here for this sum there are three different methods in which you can find your answer. Okay, so we here will see one simplest method. As when you will see the question number 3, it is little different from the question number 1 and 2. As here in the question number 1 and 2 directly we got the value of sec, tan here, and here we got cosec and cot. Here we cannot find in the third question direct value of cos and sec, as cos and sec are together here. Okay, so whenever you come across the sum like this, whenever sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, cots are together, so there are three different methods in which you can find your answer. So here for this sum, the one simplest method is what? First check, is there any relation between sec and sine and cos? Yes, there is one relation, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. As I told, whenever you have to eliminate theta, simply you have to use this three formula, that is identity formula to eliminate theta. Simply you have to find the sine, cos, sec, tan, cosec, cot, substitute the value, you will get the answer. When you will substitute the value in the final step, in the final answer, you will see that nowhere in the place the theta will be there. Okay, so in simple language, eliminate theta means what? Theta should not be there in the final answer. Okay, so now we'll see, focus on this question number 3, what exactly we have to do. As in the question number 3, it says that we cannot find the direct value of sine and cos, so there are two different methods. One, we can solve this sum by simultaneous method, and the second one, it is quite very simple. Just check the relation between sine and cos is what? It is sine square plus cos square equals to 1. Sine square plus cos square equals to 1. So we need square, sine square plus cos square, and here we need plus. Okay, so for this two equation, we'll give this equation as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So here what I will do, see, listen here. Here I will write squaring and adding equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here the simplest method is what? I will do squaring and adding for the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So why so? Okay, from here you will get the int, as we cannot find direct value for sine and cos here. As I told, there are three different methods. The one method is what? Solve these two equations simultaneously to get the answer of sine and cos, or else as here clearly we can see that to eliminate theta, here we have one formula, that is sine square plus cos square equals to 1. So here we require square, and what is the connection between these two terms? It is plus. So seeing here the int, from here we got the idea. So for this two equation, what we will do, instead of doing simultaneously, we'll write squaring and adding. So from here actually we got the idea. Here we have square and plus, so that's why I wrote squaring and adding the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let's see what we will get. Okay, so here we'll do what? Squaring and adding. So squaring the left hand side and then adding. So this is your what? Left hand side, yes or no? So squaring and adding. Here also in the right hand side we'll do the same thing, squaring. Okay, and then add. Okay, I hope you all understood this step, why I did squaring and adding the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Actually, from here we got the idea. There is one relation between sine and cos. It is sine square plus cos square equals to 1. So here we have square as well as plus also, and we know that somewhere in the second last step or in the last step you will get one relation, that is sine square plus cos square, somewhere anywhere in the place. So sine square cos square, in place of sine square cos square we can write as what? 1. So that's why I did this step, squaring and adding the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let's see whether we can able to eliminate theta by using this concept or not. Okay, so one method is very simple. Do the simultaneous equation where you will get sine and cos value directly. Okay, and here in the second method, just check. From here we are getting the int squaring and adding, so that's why I did squaring and adding the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So let's move on to the next step. So x square plus y square will keep as it is. Seeing this part, we come to the conclusion that it look like a minus b the whole square formula. A minus b the whole square formula. Yes or no? So a minus b the whole square formula, a minus b the whole square formula. So we know that a minus b the whole square formula is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we'll apply the formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no? Then here we have plus, and seeing this part we come to the conclusion that it look like a plus b the whole square formula. A plus b the whole square formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no? So we'll apply the formula a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no? So in the next step, 4 square is what? 16. Here you will get cos square theta. 2 fours are 8. 8 fives are 40. 40 cos theta into sin theta. Yes or no? 5 squared is 25, and this we can write as what? Sin square theta. Here it will be 16 sin square theta plus 4 to the 8. 8 fives are 40 sin theta into cos theta. 5 fives are 25 square is 25, and here this we can write as cos square theta. So in the next step, this left hand side part will be same. Here clearly we can see that here we have the like terms which is in opposite direction, that is positive, and this is negative, as we know that if we have same term with the opposite symbol, so we can cancel that part. Yes or no? So here we left with 16 cos square and 16 sin square and 25 cos square and 25 sin square. Okay, so here what I will do, here we'll make the pair of 16 together, and we'll make the pair of 25 together. So we'll bring the 16 part together. So 16 sin square theta plus 16 cos square theta, we'll write in one bracket, and now we'll bring 25 sin square theta plus 25 cos square theta in one bracket. Okay, so here we can remove 16 as common. So inside the bracket you will get 16 sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here we can bring 25 as common. So inside the bracket here you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta. As we know that there is one relation between sine and cos, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? 1. So in place of sin square plus cos square we can write as 1, and in place of sin square cos square here also we can write as 1, as we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? 1. So here 16 1 is 16, 25 1 is 25. So 16 plus 25 is what? 41. So here we got the final answer, as clearly we can see that in the final answer nowhere we can see theta in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. So what is the concept, what is the meaning of eliminate theta? It means in the final answer theta should not be there. Okay, whether you use any concept, any method, but see to that in the final step theta should not be there. Okay, so as I told, for this sum there are three different method. The one simplest method is what? Take these two equation, do simultaneously, simultaneous method. Okay, like we used to do in the linear equation, two variable. Okay, do simultaneous equation method to get the answer of sine and cos. And the second method is what? This one. Okay, so squaring and adding idea here we got from here, as we know that there is one relation between sine and cos is sine square plus cos square equals to 1. So here we have square as well as add, so that's why from here I got the idea uh, that will do squaring and adding to this equation. So somewhere you will get sine square plus cos square directly, and in place of sine square cos square we can put 1. So where clearly we can see that eliminate theta means what? Anyhow we have to eliminate theta means what? In the final answer theta should not be there, and we know that somewhere if you use this relation squaring and adding, so here somewhere you will get this part. So in place of sine square plus cos square directly we can write as 1. So I hope you all understood this sum also. Okay, so let's move on to the next sum. So the next sum here, it is what? That is x equals to 5 plus 6 cosec theta. X equals to, the fourth one is what? X equals to 5 plus 6 cosec theta, and y equals to 3 plus 8 cot theta. As here we have cosec and cot separately, as cosec and cot it is not together, like here we saw sine and cos it was together. Okay, so here directly we can prepare the value of cosec and cot. So we'll see how to prepare the value. We'll bring this 5 to the left hand side, so here you will get x minus 5 equals to 6 cosec theta. So now we'll bring this 6 to the denominator, so here you will get one value of cosec as what? X minus 5 upon 6. We'll apply the same concept to get the value of cot here. We'll bring this plus 3 to the left hand side equals to 8 cot theta. So therefore now we'll bring this 8 to the denominator, where you will get the value of cot theta. Yes or no? So now after this, as we know that there is one relation between cosec and cot to eliminate theta, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So therefore your cosec is what? X minus 5 upon 6 the whole square. Yes or no? And cot is what? Y minus 3 upon 8 the whole square equals to 1. So in the next step this can be written as what? X minus 5 the whole square upon 6 square we can write as what? 36, minus, here this step we can write as what? Y minus 3 the whole square upon 8 square we can write as what? 64 equals to 1. So if you want you can stop your answer here itself, or else we can increase one more step, do the cross multiply, or else make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, just now only here we saw, here we have 36 and 64. So here multiply this numerator and denominator by 16, and this part multiply and denominator by 9 to make the denominator same, or else you can stop your answer, because when you will see the backside answer it is still here only. Okay, or else here also you can stop your answer, so it is on you. So anyhow we have to eliminate theta, as clearly we can see that in the last step we cannot see theta anywhere in the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, so I hope you understood this sum also. So now we'll move on to the next one, the question number fifth. The question number fifth, it says that 2x equals to 3 minus 4 tan theta, and second equation is what, 3y equals to 5 plus 3 sec theta. Yes or no? So here also we have tan and sec separately. It is not similar sum because here sin and cos it was together. So whenever we have separate terms, so easily we can find the separate answer. So here also we'll do what, we'll bring this plus 3 to the left hand side. Yes or no? So here this will be minus 4 tan theta. We'll bring this plus 5 to the left hand side. Okay, then after that we'll bring this minus 4 to the denominator. So here you will get one value of tan. Yes or no? Then we'll bring this 3 to the denominator. So here you will get one value of sec. Okay, so therefore here we have one relation between sec and tan. It is what, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So therefore sec value is what, 3y minus 5 upon 3 the whole square, and tan value is what, 2x minus 3 upon minus 4 the whole square equals to 1. So therefore this we can write as what, 3y minus 5 the whole square, and 3 square we can write as what, 9, and here this part we can write as what, 2x minus 3 the whole square, and minus square we know that it is plus, and 4 square it is what, 16 equals to 1. Okay, so if you want you can stop your answer here itself, or else you can increase one more step, simply cross multiply. Okay, and then shift this denominator part to the right hand side where you will get the final answer. But you will, when you will see the backside answer I guess it is still here. So in this way you have to present your sum. So that's the end of the question number 4, I can say. So question number 4, it was based on what, to eliminate theta, and we know that to eliminate theta simply you have to use this 3 formula. So this 3 formula is known as what, identity formula, where when you will apply this formula simply you have to prepare the value of sine, cos, sec, tan, cosec, cot, take the formula, substitute the value. So what you will see in the final answer, theta will not be there. Okay, so in simple language, eliminated theta means what, you have to remove the theta from the final answer. That's it. So I hope you understood this sums, all the 5 sums from the question number 4. So remaining sums we'll see in the next lecture.